presents myself, Rohan Parmar, a student of MRC since last 2 years. As due to lockdown, we are unable to go to the coaching institute. Therefore, Mitesh Rathi classes is conducting live online classes in which teachers of classroom are taking lectures. If somehow any student has missed the lectures due to any technical issue, then in this case he would able to recover his missed lecture by seeing the recorded video on the MRC application in all the benches, whether it is the top bench or bottom one. Same faculty of classroom is teaching. To get our doubt cleared, teachers are always available to keep an eye on the students' discipline. Invigilators are always available in the classes to practice our lessons. They are also providing numbers of assignments. In case of doubt in the assignments, they are also conducting assignment classes. As to know the level of our preparations, Mitesh Rathi classes is also conducting weekly test series. Thank you.